inspect the truck, because last night we went to the track. This is not going to be a part 2, this is going to be another upload.
Peter got the video, gonna ask him.
Yeah, Peter got the video. We went to the track and my last pass that I did, it felt nasty, it hopped. And it was kind of like a wheel hop, yeah. But I don't know if I fucked up my drive shaft or my rear end, but I tried to do like a roll pass on the way home, well, on the way to the dig spot last night. And it just felt like, it felt real scary, like it was a loud fucking whining noise, not whining, but like I don't know how to describe it, like, you know, like those old fucking toys you used to get from the dollar store, used to spin and make like a fucking air noise. I don't know. I'm gonna insert a clip, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna check out my rear end, check out if that's good. If the gears are fucked up, we're gonna replace them. Or get them replaced by the homie if he got room today at the shop. I got the carry bearing, I got the U joints, so we're gonna get those replaced too. Hopefully she's good, and if it's the trans, well, I'm gonna hit up my homeboy Ken at A1 Transmissions, see if he can rebuild it at home. This is the aftermath of the track. That's why I kind of fucking don't like him no more, as much as I used to. But I mean, it's a dig truck. Look, god damn. If she's all good, oh, I mean, the car wash just around the corner, so I'll just go spray her down before it gets all nasty. But what we're gonna do is fucking drain the diff, the fluid or the gear oil or whatever, check it out. Hopefully the diff is good. Like, I did spend a lot of fucking money on that thing, and fuck it, it is what it is. Whatever it is gonna get fixed. Fuck it. Sheesh, aquí con los compas. Marky pulled up not so long ago. The boy Peter just pulled up. A-beams. We're about to take off the diff cover like I told you before. Look at this fool. You trying to go to work, huh? Nugget. But yeah, we'll give you a little update in a little bit. We got everything lifted. Let's see if I ain't gonna fit under there, so most likely this motherfucker finna do that shit. Cause we don't got no lift or nothing. Yeah. Guys, update. We didn't fucking do it. We lifted it. Man, we couldn't fit under there with our fat asses. Well, I couldn't at least, so I said, fuck it, I'm gonna come to homeboy, see how much he charges me. Let him do it. He got the shop. GRINCH Garage is what his name is, and we're gonna drop it off over there. We're gonna do the carry bearing, but I'm gonna also have him check the U joints, because I think the one in the middle is fucked up. When I lifted the truck, the drive shaft looked fucking, didn't look straight, didn't look right. But I'm just gonna leave the truck there overnight or whatever, over the week or whatever, as much time as it needs to get this bitch running right. I don't think it's the gears, because if it had been the gears, I don't know. We'll check everything though. I still got the gasket back here, I still got other shit. So fuck it, little by little we'll get this bitch running back at 100%. And yeah, look, the guys are back here. We're about to go eat, and we're gonna pull up to the shop. Just finished eating con los cuts.
Ooh, it's the jam. Watch, I'm gonna break this up. Watch out, bitch. Oh.
Con tal compa el Shadowboxer.
That he knocked out right now.
Oh my god. Doing a cuz. That shit hurting him. That was like,
I couldn't sleep last night.
There's some dry spots. And I go like that and I feel it when they stretch.
we got some certified gangsters getting tatted up and shit. Mejor no.
Mejor no.
Yes, Tita? Think I've been to prison 1,000 times.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, I think I got Looney Tunes right here, you know. Tiene Tom and Jerry aquí.
I believe this is for you, model.
Man, right now, I blow my shit.
Drop my camera, dog. No mames. Wakey, wakey, motherfucker. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go, baby! Comemos de tragar. Vale verga la dieta. This is day 2 of dropping the truck off at GRINCH GARAGE. Andamos con el K. Acá nosotros K. Marito Chan. Joder, nigga.
Nigga's stupid.
Well, they Chan a little bit when we pick up the truck.
Fucking stinks now.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sheesh. Y andamos en el GRINCH Garage, papá. Con el compa Goomer. ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda, güey? ¿No bien grifo, ah? You have in the bitch, I know. ¿Ya quedó la mamalona qué? ¿Te rasuraste y toda la verga? Pa' verme.
At your
They replaced the carrot bearing and the 3 U joints. See if she feels better. Compa Marito getting sauced up by a compa. Mira. Hey, let me see that hat real quick, nigga. Yes, sir. Y'all hit him up. Right here in Houston, locally. Get that Goomer sauce. Goomer's homeboy. Model's Cam. Which one?
That little single guy, the one that's talking about the run.
Shit, they all fucking fast.
You fast too, though.
Hell nah, nigga. See, look, this one, that one. Yeah, he's fast. And this. Alright, fuck it. Won't take y'all a bit.
Already Jesus too.
Jesus, hell nah. gonna record this on this phone. My shit dead. Tengo una new camera, man. Pa' que vea, papá. YouTube no está pagando. Sí, pero I guess sooner or later we'll get paid by them hoes. Seriously.
Luego we all have that, bro.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I never ask nothing from no nigga. I slide through the crib with some gold on my fist, nigga. We never tripped on you whole niggas. I leave some shots on your block. If you thought you was hot, you a cold nigga. If niggas want pain, I go Martin with time.